OMG. Oh my God. Some of the really simple stuff is really human, really good.
So today is all about you. We want you to have a lot of fun, but we really want this creative sector that we set up to really inspire you, for you to feel comfortable to feed in, and feel comfortable to partake in all the sessions, to get involved in the interactive stores, and for you to take away something from the day, and for you to reimagine your approach to housing-led regeneration.
The difference with really good readers and people who don't finish your walk, beginning with L. It's a really soft word. You find it in family a lot, but very good in love. Either love what you do, either love what you do, you don't. There's no good in it. If you're doing it for money, you don't want to talk or you love money. But it's not right. Love is the key driver in modern 21st century religion. It sounds silly, but I ask managers, are you excited about the world? Most managers will go, yes. Absolutely. And I mean by excitement, they say, get up in the morning and drive to work, come on, get up to work, I get to work. What's doing my head in, it's exciting. And then I ask the staff in the civil position, are you excited about the work? So, why not? God, sorry, I give it 3 hours listening to the morning to go on to work. We've got it wrong. The idea is to get managers and leaders exhausted. But the staff still energized, but you give away energy to leaders. The staff should all know.
It's been brilliant. It's been good fun from the start. It's a great venue. The organisation of it has been brilliant. We've actually had one of our projects who received funding as an entrepreneur performing as a DJ, which was great. He really enjoyed it, and we brought a bit of a problematic project that we had ongoing to the table for discussion and comment. We've had a great feedback and a great response from all the attendees, and it's been really useful, and we've loved it.
Excellent. How have you found the day?
Really good. It's lovely to network within, other community organisations to find out, what they're up to, and also, to take on board some of the projects that they're running and sort of, new ideas and everything like that, really.
We wanted to take programs that we run all the time, things like our accelerator programs, our support programs, to help bring more finance and funding into these programs, and work out how do we make this something that you guys want to get involved with. How do we get you excited about a program that can quite often turn into a more boring training style of program. So those headlines are going to help us frame up a brand new program for the housing sector. We quite seriously and have already been talking to our funding partners to say we would like a programme for regeneration for the housing sector in Wales that helps them take the brilliant ideas, the brilliant things they're already doing, and bring better funding, more expertise, more support, so that we can provide a genuine support offer and collaborate in taking that forward.
So if we do an event like this, you'll be there again?
Oh, definitely, yeah, without a doubt, yeah, it's really good.
Definitely, if it's there, put us down. We'll be here.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Definitely. Yay!